Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you different types of craft. First, I have taken the figure of the hand, then I'm drawing a beautiful peacock out of this. I have drawn the eyes, the beak, the feathers, and now I'm drawing the layout of the feathers. Yeah, there is a different design on the peacock's feather. I'm drawing that design there. It is easy and looks very good. Then I'm drawing this legs of the figure. Yeah, done. For the next one, I have again drawn the hand figure. I'm drawing the lines, then I'm drawing the flags on each of the finger. Then I'm drawing the windows. Yeah, this is the right way. Then I'm drawing the door of the house, then again the windows. And then the gateway. Then I'm drawing a creative sun and the clouds. This is a perfect scenery. And then coloring it up. Then I have drawn again different type of figure of hand, and then I'm drawing a dinosaur out of it. I've drawn the layout, I'm drawing a cute eyes, then the sharp teeth as dinosaur has, and then the design which is present on a dinosaur's body, and then coloring it up. For the next one, I have written 2 6 and then I'm writing a 2 and joining it up, and this becomes a beautiful dog. And then I'm drawing the tongue of the dog, eyes, tail, and then I'm drawing and coloring it up. For the next one, I have taken the fingerprints of different fingers and joining it up together and drawing a tree near it. Now I'm drawing an animal to it. It is actually a bug. And the next one, I'm drawing a house. It is very easy to draw a house in such a way. I'm drawing the doors and drawing some windows and a chimney that's usually present in the house and a smoke coming out of it. I'm drawing a really beautiful scenery. This is the backside. I'm drawing different colors of trees to make this more innovative. Now I'm drawing some fence near it. Yeah, this is the perfect fence, and then I'm drawing some crows and coloring it up. For the next one, I'm drawing a lion. This is the easiest way to draw a lion. I'm drawing a circle, then that wings, and then the hairs of the lion, then the eyes and the cute hairs. Yeah, then I'm drawing this legs and the tail, and then coloring it up. For the next one, I have wrote 500 here. Then I'm making a cute rabbit out of it. I just drawed a circle, and then the eyes, then the body of the rabbit. This is so cute, right? Then here I've drawn some curved lines. I'm drawing a brinjal actually, and then it's very easy to draw a brinjal. Then I'm drawing some circles. I'm drawing different types of crafts out of the circle, like sun. 4 different ways to draw a sun, and I'm showing all that 4 to you. This is easy and very pretty, isn't it? Different types of face. I've drawn some scribbling lines, and wow, this came out so good. For the next one, I'm drawing some scribbles. I'm drawing cloud-like structure, but this isn't a cloud, this is a sheep. There are 4 sheeps and it looks so good. Drawing different types of faces. It looks so cute, right? Yeah, isn't it cute? And then I'm drawing different kinds of reactions, clouds and sun. That's done. Thanks for watching.